Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Mermaid Perfume in Heartopia game. Okay, before we use the Mermaid Perfume, I'm going to tell you where you can get the item. Basically, you can buy the item from Fanya's fishing store, and Fanya is right here now at the windmilled flower field. Okay, you can go to Fanya and go to the fishing store, or actually you can get it from redeeming a code in Heartopia, and you can get it for free, guys. And I have a quest to use the Mermaid Perfume. As you can see on my quest list, I need to use the Mermaid Perfume to catch fish. Okay, let me find the target first, guys, because the effect will be so short in a short time, so I need to find the target fish first. Okay, and I'm going to spray the Mermaid Perfume. Where is it? Okay, I think it's here. Right, guys. Okay, this is the Mermaid Perfume. After use, catch the fish directly without playing fish. Okay, we can spray it, and I'm going to cast my rod. Okay, just like this, guys. Okay, done. And the Mermaid Perfume still has effect. It will last after 2 minutes, so you can find another fish to catch. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the Mermaid Perfume in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.